The audio podcast series Vigyan Ki Awaaz presents a captivating journey through the groundbreaking achievements of autonomous institutes of the Department of Science and Technology, brought to you by the National Council for Science and Technology Communication. From unraveling the mysteries of weather predictions and exploring ancient heritage, the boundaries of quantum science and harnessing the sustainable energy solutions, each episode delves into the forefront of scientific research and innovation. Join us as we uncover the transformative potential of citizen-driven innovation and explore the remarkable contributions of these institutes to society. Let's begin the journey from Northeast, that is, from Guwahati, where advanced research in mathematical and computational sciences is unraveling the mysteries of weather predictions through artificial intelligence and machine learning.
In mathematical and computational sciences, ISST researchers have tackled complex problems ranging from queuing theory to weather prediction. Through the artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have been working to predict Indian summer monsoon rainfall significantly and modeling surface water wave propagation.
Moving on to Lucknow, the Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleosciences takes us on a journey through time. Their research on ancient plants from Gondwana provides invaluable insights into Earth's past, unlocking secrets buried for millions of years.
BSIP has conducted extensive research on the Gondwana flora, which refers to the ancient plant fossils found in the Gondwana supercontinent. The institute's researchers have identified and described numerous plant species from this period, providing insights into the vegetation and climate during the Permian and Cretaceous periods in India.
In Kolkata, the S.N. Bose National Center for Basic Sciences is at the forefront of quantum science and technology, paving the way for revolutionary advancements in information science and quantum materials.
One of the thirst area of S.N. Bose Center is the research in the domain of quantum science and technology, namely quantum information science, quantum materials and devices, and computational study of quantum materials.
Down in Hyderabad, the International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Materials is driving innovation in electrical vehicle technologies, contributing to sustainable solutions for the future.
ARCI has been in frontier areas like energy, and we work for electric vehicle technologies. Also, we work for strategic sectors, whether it is space or defense, based on the requirements. We make components for them. For example, a recent one is we have our silicon carbide mirror went into the Aditya L1 mission.
Heading south to Thiruvananthapuram, the Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology's breakthrough in medical science with porcine dressing utilizing animal gallbladder is revolutionizing healthcare.
One important product which has just come in is they have the porcine dressing. So using animal gallbladder, so they have made some dressing material which has the first dressing which is made in India, which is tested in India, which has been translated in India and has been commercialized in India, and this has been approved by CDSCO. So Sri Chitra is responsible for that.
In Dehradun, the Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology is harnessing the power of hot springs to generate sustainable energy solutions, paving the way for a greener future.
In the present scenario, again, a government is also looking for green energy because most of the energy requirement is made by fossil fuels. They generate greenhouse gas. So there is tremendous effort to produce an alternate energy resource to meet our day-to-day requirement. And in that direction, in Uttarakhand state, we have found out more than 40 geothermal or hot springs, and they are having capable of producing 10,600 megawatt of power.
The National Innovation Foundation in Gandhinagar is empowering grassroots innovators to drive social change through science and technology, demonstrating the transformative potential of citizen-driven innovation.
एक प्रकार से भारत को नव भारत बनाने के लिए जितनी भी जरूरत है, समाज के लिए हम सदैव सेवा में उपलब्ध है, ऐसा हमारा ब्रीद है और हम उसके लिए काम करते हैं। ऐसे इनोवेशंस को लेके कमर्शियलाइजेशन तक की जो प्रक्रिया है वो करने के लिए हम इन हाउस काम करते हैं।
For more information and to listen to these engaging podcasts, visit to www.i-radiolive.com. You can also find us on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and Spotify. This is Surya Kiran and Akash signing off from Ratnavani, Coimbatore.